The ongoing 11.7 billion naira investment scam suit filed against Emerging Global Holding Company Limited, Emerging Global Solutions Limited, Mr. Bamishe Samson Ajetomobi and his wife, Mrs. Elizabeth Ajetomobi, continued Wednesday, 2nd of February 2022. The two firms and the Ajetomobi couple have been associated with an 11.7 billion naira investment fraud by some aggrieved Nigerian investors who filed a suit before the court. According to the applicants, some of the 11.7 billion naira is the outstanding investment and returns on investment accruing to them from the defendants. At today's proceedings, counsel to the claimant, Adetunji Adedoyin Adini, said the court had granted marital order both locally and internationally, freezing any account or asset related to the couples. The barrister Adeni added that today's proceeding was supposed to be for ruling based on the objection filed by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) and the defendants that the defendant should be tried at the Federal High Court as a financial institution. But the Honorable Judge said before it can determine such objection, the defendant have to produce before the court their license from the CBN.
For now, the court had granted marital orders both locally and internationally, United States, UK, everywhere, freezing the assets of any account related to the couples. So today, and the Bamishe couple, Ajetomobi and Elizabeth Bamishe, and today we came back to court, though it was supposed to be for ruling based on objections filed by Central Bank of Nigeria and the defendant. Defendants are saying that ordinarily they are supposed to be sued in federal court as a financial institution, but the court had asked them that before the court can even determine such an objection, that they ought to produce before the court their license from CBN. That is both fair. But today, from the documents served on us and the courts, nothing like that. It's just lenders, some lenders license from 1 or 2 states.
Counsel to the complainants added that the court further granted orders mandating all banks involved to present every investment the defendant might have in their possession.
But today, the court did something very fantastic. The court proceeded to grant further orders mandating all the banks, both the ones that were here before and the ones that have been discharged and still before the court, to place any investment any of the defendants might have, investment, cryptocurrency, bonds, treasury bills, anything the defendants might have. The court told them to bring everything before on the next adjourn date, and all the banks are mandated to bring all accounts linked with the BVN.
Justice Oyekon Abdullahi, after hearing from both counsels, adjourned the hearing to February 24 for all banks to comply. Daniel Tanimu for Galaxy TV News, Lagos.